Hi everybody, it's 9:49 and 47 seconds on Tuesday, May 22nd. This is drawing for Swamp Thing number 1. If you're asking how I got so many copies, I went somewhere and somebody just had a pile of them sitting there, so I decided I was going to buy all of them. All of them really nice copies. I got a little lucky there. So here are the 14 filled spots on the left-hand side. We're going to do 3 dice. The number is 11. I'm going to get this out in today's mail. So whoever wins it, it's going to ship today. All right, good luck, everybody. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and this is the final one. 11. Spot 11. Barney Stars. Congratulations. Time is 9:50 and 51 seconds.